No, ndị ọma nji eme ọnụ, ndị nji eme ngala, to another episode of Wife Diary. No, onye ọbụla kedu ka unu mee? Ama m nọ ndị mma. So tata bụ Tuesday, ajọsụ ntete nnọọ ike gosi am. Nsi just ka m arrange go to my room and from there banye kitchen because I'm on with some things that is left for me to do in the kitchen. Good morning, how are you doing? Right now I'm not using my mic because my battery is really low, so I'm charging my phone with my power bank so I can be able to film. I have a lot of work to do this morning. I've not really had my breakfast, so I get fit. I told you the other day that I don't want to take no more tea, no more pills anymore. I want to go the natural way. So I've been wearing it since morning prayer after NSPPD. I wore it around 7:30. Since then I've been wearing it. So this morning, this afternoon, because it's 12 o'clock right now, and I'm having orange garden egg and apple with maybe 2 banana. Yeah. Sorry for the noise outside. So that is it. That will be for my breakfast. I have plate to wash and I'll be going live on YouTube by 3 o'clock. The topic is keeping the spark in marriage and relationship. I believe by now you guys must have seen the live video. Just few tips here and there. Even though my hobby is not here, but you guys should just expect more content from here. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to have my breakfast, have my fruit, then wash the plate, then after that I will shower, then prepare for my life.
So there's this trending story I saw on IG. Let me just gist you guys. A 14-year-old boy who killed himself because the AI he fell in love with told him to do so. This particular AI is one of its kind. The AI is called a character AI. It's not the regular ChatGPT that we all know. This AI explains a particular character that you want it to be. Constant there as Martin Luther King, he will do so. That is how this AI works. So this boy picked a female character called DIARIES from Game of Thrones. He got so addicted to this AI that he stopped talking with other people.
In school.
To the point he even started falling in love with this AI. Loved at home. He started failing in his academics. Even his parents didn't notice on time to stop him. Because by the time they knew how in-depth their son had gone into this, he had already shot himself. Because the AI character told him to come and join him. What's your take on this? Do you think it's the parents' fault for not monitoring their son enough? Or that of the small boy? Let me know in the comment section.
For my own opinion about this story, we get to see it towards the end of this video. I just finished filming my IG content and my TikTok. So go and check out my page on IG. I think I'm going to drop it on the screen, and also my TikTok. Go and follow me up, okay? So I want to use this opportunity to show you guys my award. An award on the award night, even though I wasn't available to take them. Here is the award. So let's open it together. Yeah. Okay. This is my first time having an award. My first time. So it says National Association of Institute of Management and Technology Enugu. That is IMT Enugu. Award of Honor presented to Afoka Millicent in due recognition of your professional and educational transformation on this day, 25th October 2024. Congratulations under the leadership of Comrade Okafor Chime Anselm. That is our NAS president. Let me talk what I'll be having for lunch. I'm having 2 boiled eggs for lunch today. So guys, I'm having Sauce and fried plantain with yogurt for breakfast.
Every minute slipping by, even when I close my eyes. Ruthless, I know. You might even wonder why I go. Every
I promised I was going to tell you my take on the gist I shared earlier, and my take is this. I think the parents is at fault here because it is so responsibility of the parents to make sure that they look after their child, and they as well make sure that the child is spiritually guided. Because the truth of the matter is, the things we see are not just the way it seems. That story is so mysterious. I think this is my take on this story.
every minute slipping by, even when I close my eyes. Ruthless, I know. You might even wonder why I go MIA sometimes. I can't deny. You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but I get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? I used to be so quiet, like a flower on your wall, and everything around you made me feel like I was small. But then you said my name. Now it feels so strange. I've been waiting, oh so patient.
Outfit of the day. Hair. I don't think you guys can actually see it properly.
Today is a wonderful day. I think 29th of November. I have one or two things I want to tell you. I want to remind you that you should not feel pressure. You should just take your time, God's time is always the best. And when the time is right, the Lord will make it happen for you. Don't really feel like, oh, you've not really achieved anything because we are actually gearing towards the end of the year. It is not the end of your life. Like I said in my last video, my mom's birthday was on 27th of November, and I actually bought a clothes for her. Like I told my tailor to make something for her, something beautiful. I'm going to take you guys along. I told her to come, so we'll do a photo shoot because this is the first time she's going to do a photo shoot, and I'm really really happy. I'm really happy that she's really celebrating her birthday today. Not everybody has the privilege of having a mom, and I have mine, all thanks to God. So I have the things I'm supposed to do today. Not really much. I need to buy fruit. I'm out of fruit. I want to make fruit juice, and I'll take you guys along too. I'm reminding you and reminding myself at the same time. We should be very kind with our words. A lot of people are going through stuff. Aside from all the social media content of something, be kind with your words. Be kind with your words. It's not just when you use gun on someone that you actually kill that person, or when you actually shoot someone. That is not really death. Death is even fast. Words are like sword that can pierce through the heart of the victim. So let's try as much as possible not to inflict people with our choice of words. You know, people are going through a lot. You see someone that is fat. I will continue to be saying it on this channel. When you see somebody, be it who, if the person is fat, you don't know whether that person is battling hormonal challenges, or that person is battling health issue, or the person is slim. Please don't try to remind that person that he or she is fat. They have mirror in their house, they saw that they are fat, because you may say certain words to that person, and the person might be in anxiety and in depressed state already. Let's not try and bring others down with our words. Words are like swords. Let's be kinder with our words. Let's be intentional with what we say out there. I hope I'm making sense, right? So guys, I think that's that. Like,
Hello. I told you guys that. Hi, Jesus, this one is so much. I told you guys that I will talk to you later. So, right now, I'm really done with most of the things I wrote down on my to do list. So, I went to buy gas. That's why I'm packed here. In the market, I bought pineapple. In fact, I bought a lot of fruit. I want to make juice, fruit juice. I bought pineapple, bought watermelon, pawpaw, some mint leaf, and lemon. Yeah. Then this is orange. I bought a lot of them. Then this is carrots. This is shower gel. Then I decided to go for Dove this time around because I can't go back to my soap. It's really expensive. So I bought this face toner. Then this wine. Bought this wine too. I bought cucumber and this air freshener for my toilets. I bought scarf. Been looking for something like this. Then I bought extension. What again did I buy? Okay, this is ginger garlic. Yeah. Then this is turmeric. It's not turmeric. This is tongue scraper. Then this is aloe vera. I think that's that. Then I also bought banana. Then this is my eyes out. So guys, I just blended. This is carrot, watermelon, and pineapple. Yeah. Then this one is carrot, watermelon, ginger, mint leaf. What again? Yes, I think that's all. Carrot, watermelon, ginger, pineapple. That's that. And mint leaf. Yeah, so I just want to extract it right now. It's just to squeeze it. I'm going to show you guys how I do it. It's not difficult. I also bought this chia seed. I don't know how to use it, but I'll just browse. I heard they used to ground it. You can actually ground it and put inside your tea, or maybe your, or you can even put inside water, Lipton, and drink like that. You can even put inside your parfait, something like that. So I'll just try it out. So let's go.
You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but it get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? I used to be so quiet, like a flower on your